I did nothing wrong. I'm transferring the title because I bought the car yesterday.
Don't
so
walk
give
away.
me my title so I can go and do it.
We're not.
So now you're taking my property.
Damn, I get back to work.
No, not for what? For what?
Date, November 8, 2025 location. DMV parking lot, Havana, Florida. Event, vehicle title ownership dispute. Investigative detention escalated to obstruction arrest. Forgery charge dropped. Obstruction charge filed.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm on start out of camera on. All right. So we had called. Which one of you guys is Daniel?
Me.
You. Okay. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Okay. I'm not sure if it's some drama or whatever with ex-girlfriend, whatever it is. So I just want to let you with why I'm here. So we got called out for some. I don't know. Something you're coming over here to change the title or something like that.
I bought a car from somebody.
Okay.
They signed the title, and I'm going to transfer it. Awesome. And now they're saying I didn't. I have signatures on the title.
If you got that stuff to help clarify a couple things, I appreciate it. It's going to help us understand.
No. I'm not trying to be an asshole at all.
No, you're good. I get it.
So hold on.
I get it.
So here, from Alumni Bank.
Okay.
I paid off their loan, and it's Korea. There's both their signatures. There's my signature in this, and this is my car.
Okay. Can I take a look at it?
Yeah,
I appreciate it.
Yes, you can.
So what's the so who is she? Is she an ex-girlfriend? Wife?
Yeah, ex-girlfriend. Yeah.
Ex-girlfriend. Okay. All right. Where's she at? Is she in? Does she live in Havana?
No, that's not even her right address.
Okay. Do you know what town she's in right now?
She's in Indian. At her sister's house.
All right. So you bought the car from her?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bought the car from her and her ex-boyfriend. I paid off the loan so I could get the title.
Gotcha.
And now everything's escalated.
Okay. All right. Do you know when you?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. Was it out there? You bought it?
I bought it from the bank. I have the receipts from the bank. I don't have them on me. I have them at the house. I did nothing wrong. I'm transferring the title because I bought the car yesterday.
And that was from the Alliance?
Yes.
Okay.
And this was the agreement from everybody.
Okay.
So it's just, they wanted their name off the loan. So I don't know.
Okay. And you know what, man, this ended up might just being a huge jealousy between you and them. It's just, me, I'm better understanding the situation just speaking to you, so I appreciate taking time to chat with me.
No.
Do you know about how? Because I'm gonna shoot them a call. Do you know about how much you bought it for?
Yeah, $5,000.
$5,000. Okay. Did you already pay that in cash?
No. $5,000. $5,000 was what it was. I paid off the loan to get the title.
You paid off the loan,
and then until they give me the fucking money, and then as soon as I paid off the title, all this came off. So, and this was the agreement.
Okay.
So if you didn't pay me for me paying off your loan, then I take the car. And everybody was on agreement with that. And then as soon as I paid off the car, now all this comes up.
Okay. All right. All right. Give me a couple minutes. I'll make a phone call and see what they got on their end, and go from there. Okay?
I don't know. Can I have my title back?
No,
I want my title back.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up this.
I want my title back.
You don't need to have issues.
No, I don't need to have issues, but you have no reason to hold on my title. I want my title. I own the car. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I don't want to hurt any dick. I don't know.
Okay. Well, somebody's alleging you committed a crime, so we're here to investigate.
I didn't.
That's
You're
what they're
doing your
alleging.
job, buddy.
Yeah.
You're doing your job.
Yeah.
I understand that, but I did not commit a crime. So I paid off a loan for a title. They're supposed to pay me, and then as soon as I paid off the title, they're like, "Oh no, that's my car."
Okay.
I just went and got the title from the bank.
Gotcha. Okay.
Why did he take my title?
It's potentially evidence.
It's not evidence. I bought it legitimately.
Right.
Call the bank. Don't ask me questions. Call the bank. And I'm not being the but I'm just.
Yeah, you kind of are.
I'm sorry.
I didn't ask any questions.
Well, I'm just saying. Call the bank.
Okay.
I was the one that was there. They paid off the title.
Just stay over there, sir.
I don't have to.
You're not free to leave.
I'm not detained.
You are being sane. You're not free to
For
leave.
what? You never pulled me over. I'm on private property.
Okay.
I'm on private property. You can't
So,
detain me.
I'm telling you,
you never called.
I'm
You
telling
never
you
pulled me
you're
over.
being detained.
You never pulled me over. How am I being detained on private property and you never pulled me over before I had got here? Know the law
Listen.
before you be a cop. So
How much have you had to drink?
it doesn't matter. Am I driving?
Kinda does.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
How?
Stay
Because
here,
I'm showing
walk
you.
back to your truck.
Because I'm telling you the law.
You're going to be in handcuffs in about 2 seconds.
I'm
if
not
you
going
don't
to be in
walk back over
handcuffs.
to
I
your
did
truck.
nothing wrong. I'm stepping away from you. You got video camera right now.
Yeah.
I'm stepping away from you.
Okay.
I'm not going to be in handcuffs. I did nothing wrong, and I'm on private property.
Then don't
so
walk
give me
away.
my title
No.
so I can go in and do it.
We're not.
So
We're
now
not
you're
doing that.
taking my property.
No.
Okay. All right. What's your name? What's your badge number? Hold on. Give me my phone. What's the name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Last name is Cunningham.
Hold on. Just give me a second. What's your name and badge number? When I ask you, you should tell
Listen to
me.
your buddy. He's trying to talk sense into you.
Okay. What's your name and badge number?
It's Cunningham, 935.
Cunningham. And why are you detaining me?
We're investigating the crime.
I'm on private property and I have not committed a crime. So do you want to tell me the difference right now?
Okay. You're intoxicated. You're not
So?
listening to what I'm saying.
So does it matter? Does it matter? Did I commit a crime by being intoxicated, by being drove to DMV?
Okay.
So do you
want
to continue?
Put your hand behind your back for me.
No,
You're
not
under
for
arrest.
what? For what?
Because I told you to get back to your truck.
I was not.
Instead, you're in my face arguing.
How?
So guess
I
what?
was way back from you. What am I arrested for? Please tell me my charges. Hey,
now-
please.
right now you're
Hey, you got this on
obstructing, okay?
video? You got it all on video? Oh, both these guys are losing their jobs.
You're under arrest for obstructing.
For obstructing
And
what?
possibly forgery. So.
Possibly forgery.
Yep.
Okay.
Stop pushing against me.
I'm not pushing against you. You're pushing against me. How dumb are you?
All right, I'm good on my own.
Look, I've done nothing wrong. They have no reason to arrest me, and I'm on private property. I don't have nothing in my pocket, please.
Well, I still got to check. I did nothing
wrong. So you're unlawfully arresting me. How is it obstruction to when I step back from you? Is your camera still on? I stepped back from you. And now I'm the one that. What am I being arrested for?
I just told you. Maybe you should
What?
listen.
What? Tell me again.
Have a seat.
Tell me again. What am I being arrested for? No, hold on. You just pushed me. Just fucking calm down.
Get your leg in the car.
I am. I'm being arrested for not committing a crime.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna keep figuring out.
This is his phone.
Okay, so explain to me again.
All right, Daniel. So, let me talk to you real quick, all right?
No. Can I please pee?
Okay. You understand why I put you in handcuffs, right? Because if I explain to you that we're here investigating a crime and you're the potential suspect, so
I
you're
did
being
nothing
detained
wrong.
and you're not free to leave. That doesn't mean grab your phone and get in my face and argue and then not
I wasn't
listen.
in your face. I was 10 steps over.
Okay.
But I don't want to argue with you. I'm sorry. I don't want to argue with you.
All you had to do is remain by your truck and stay quiet.
All right. Well, I was
would've been the end of this, right?
I was closer to my truck than I was to you.
Okay. So I could easily take you to jail right now for obstructing, but we'll go ahead and cut you loose, okay?
I didn't do anything wrong. So
I just want you to know that if this happens again, like if you're in the presence of law enforcement and they tell you to step back,
I
then you
was
should step back, okay?
I was 10 steps closer to my truck than I was 10 steps closer to you. So don't say I was obstructing justice.
You were obstructing me, a peace officer, okay?
Okay. I don't want to argue with you.
Okay.
But you know you're wrong. Shut up. Hold on.
Have a seat.
Hold on,
You're
hold
going to
on.
jail.
What
You're going
for
to
what?
jail. Have a
Because
seat.
because I told him to shut up.
You don't
No,
understand what I'm
please.
explaining
No,
to
no, 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 officer, please stop.
Have a
Please
seat.
stop.
You're going to
Please.
get more charges.
For what? What am I under arrest for?
You're obstructing a peace
I
officer. I'm
didn't.
taking
He
you to
just
jail.
yelled at
Listen.
me. He just
Listen.
yelled. He just yelled at me, and I told him to shut up. I'm sorry.
Listen to me. Stop talking.
Okay.
I tried to have a conversation with you like a
Okay,
man.
but
And you're sitting here telling me I'm wrong?
no. Look,
You can go to jail.
He was yelling at me.
Have a seat.
He was yelling at me.
You obviously don't understand.
He was yelling at me. I told him to shut up. I'm not doing anything wrong. Please stop grabbing me like this.
Sit in the seat.
Officers, please stop grabbing me like this. What am I under arrest for?
You've been told like 10 times.
I didn't. I just told him to shut up. He was trying to.
Okay. Well, I was hoping he'd admit his faults and understand why I had him in handcuffs. But he obviously doesn't understand, so.
Yeah, obviously
go to jail.
I told him to shut up. You were going to let me out of handcuffs. I told him to shut up, and now I'm in jail.
Over there.
Please tell me.
Over there.
How's that illegal? Yeah. Yes, sir. Please tell me how that's illegal. You can't. You can't. What's your P. Nelson?
You can read. Nice.
Yeah.
Take a seat.
Yeah, I graduated high school.
for
What'd
you.
you do?
Terry V., Ohio, 392 U.S. 1,960 CA. A named complainant reporting an ongoing specific crime at a known location satisfies reasonable articulable suspicion. The investigative detention was lawful. Dunaway V., New York, 442 U.S. 201,979. Handcuffing constitutes a de facto arrest, regardless of formal declaration. Probable cause, not merely reasonable suspicion, is required at the moment of physical custody. U.S. v. Place, 462 U.S. 696, 1,983. Seizure of personal property requires consent, probable cause, or a recognized Fourth Amendment exception. Voluntary display of a document is not consent to its retention. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1,989. Reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. The standard is objective, not retrospective. Florida Statute Sec. 843-2. Resisting officer without violence actual obstruction of a lawful duty is required. Verbal disagreement, hostile tone, and refusal to stay silent do not meet the statutory threshold. Florida Statute Sec. 831.1. Forgery requires knowing falsification with intent to defraud. Officers found insufficient evidence. The predicate allegation for the entire encounter was unsubstantiated. City of Houston v. Hill 482 U.S. 451, 1,987. The First Amendment protects the freedom to verbally oppose or challenge police action without risking arrest. An arrest based solely on protected verbal expression is facially unconstitutional. 42 U.S.C. Sec. 1,983. Civil Rights Act officers who arrest on the basis of constitutionally protected speech may be held personally liable for deprivation of civil rights under federal law. Key distinction: probable cause versus reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion justifies a Terry stop. Probable cause is required for arrest. Attitude and verbal defiance do not close that gap. Lessons learned for officers: a lawful stop becomes an unlawful arrest when probable cause is absent and protected speech is criminalized. For citizens, comply first. Document everything. Assert constitutional rights through legal channels.